The Supreme Court has agreed to decide if Donald Trump has immunity from prosecution on election interference charges. The charges involve Mr. Trump's efforts to overturn his 2020 election loss, but the Supreme Court's decision to take up the case could delay it beyond the election in November. Well, I'm joined now by our North America correspondent, Peter Bowes. Thanks for joining us on the program, Peter. It is, of course, the first time that the Supreme Court weighs in on a case like this. Does this announcement come as a surprise?
I think it was inevitable that this case would end up at the Supreme Court. Donald Trump's claims have already been rejected by a lower court, and he claims that he is immune to this kind of criminal prosecution because he was president at the time. This relates to the allegations, as you've mentioned, that he tried to overturn the result of the 2020 election. Mr. Trump faces multiple charges, including one that he conspired to defraud the United States. This was a trial that was due to start very soon, next month. It has been delayed. It is now on hold, and we're hearing from the Supreme Court that they intend to hear arguments in April, the third week of April, a decision expected at some point in June. So we know now that this trial, if indeed it goes ahead, won't be happening until at least July. We're getting into political convention season then, and the election is looming in November. Of course, seemingly one of Donald Trump's tactics has always been to try to delay these legal proceedings against him while he focuses on his campaigning.
And of course, Mr. Trump himself, he appointed 3 judges on the Supreme Court, making it the 6-3 conservative majority.
Yes, it is a Supreme Court that has a conservative majority, and you would think, therefore, might be inclined to rule in his favour. But I think the point has to be made that there have been decisions by this conservative-dominated Supreme Court in recent months that have not necessarily agreed with Donald Trump's policies. They haven't been decisions relating to him in person, but they haven't always sided with the conservative view. So I don't think we can necessarily read too much into the political makeup of this Supreme Court when trying to speculate as to how they're going to rule on this particular issue.